Can we create a Python function without writing def? Yes, and that's exactly what you'll learn today. Today, we'll learn one of Python's shortest and most powerful features, the Lambda function. Hello everyone, welcome back to our Python function series. In today's video, we'll understand what a Lambda function is, why it's called an anonymous function, and we'll create our own Lambda functions with simple practical examples. So let's get started. A Lambda function is a small anonymous function that can be written in just one line. Instead of using the def keyword, we use the Lambda keyword. It is called an anonymous function because it is created without giving it a function name. Let's understand the syntax carefully. First comes the Lambda keyword. This tells Python that we are creating a Lambda function. After that come the arguments. Arguments are the values the function receives. After the colon, we write the expression. An expression is the work that the function performs. Whatever this expression evaluates to is automatically returned. Unlike a normal function, we don't write the return keyword. Let's compare it with normal function. This is a normal user-defined function. It uses def keyword. It has a function name and it explicitly uses the return statement. Now look at the Lambda function. Both programs do exactly the same work. The only difference is that the Lambda function is much shorter. Let's understand this program line by line. In the first line, the variable square stores the Lambda function. Lambda keyword tells Python to create a Lambda function. X is the argument. The expression x into x calculates the square of the number. Python automatically returns the result. In the next line, we call the Lambda function and pass 5 as the argument. So Python calculates 5 into 5, which gives 25. Let's move to the second example. Again, the variable add stores the Lambda function. This time, the function receives two arguments, a and b. The expression a plus b adds both numbers. When we call add, Python substitutes 15 for a and 20 for b. Then it calculates 15 plus 20, 35. When should we use Lambda functions? Lambda functions are useful when we need a small function for a short task. If the function contains only one simple expression, a Lambda function makes the code shorter and easier to write. So that's all for today's video. Today we learned what a Lambda function is, why it's called an anonymous function, how its syntax works, and how to create and use Lambda functions with practical examples. I hope this concept is clear to you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss a new lesson in this Python series. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!